Good afternoon, everyone. Today is the 28th of June and it's 12:40 p.m. here in the UK. Now, let's do a quick analysis of US30 before New York opens. So, I'm on the daily time frame right now. If you can see, it was very, very bullish at this trend here, and then it broke structure on the daily with this candle break. So, this was the previous low, and it broke and closed below this candle wick. So I do believe that the trend will continue to the downside, and we are just having a retracement at the moment. All right. So we do have a daily fair value gap over here. So this is an area of interest that I will keep an eye on. At the same time, we are nearing the zero point 0.5 retracement on the FIB, which you can see I've marked up. I took that on the daily as well. So if you just go to your fibs and then you just draw. So I draw my fibs from body to body. I know some people draw it on candle, but somehow for me, I feel like this is pretty accurate. So it's about that. And if you go to the daily fair value gap, it touches the 618 mark. So you can literally just touch it and then drop it as well. So it's something for me to just keep an area. I mean, and it's a POI basically. Okay, it's a point of interest for me, and so it also shows something else. Um, well, I was very sure there was a fair value gap in the 4 hour, but oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so this was the fair value gap on the 4 hour that I was actually waiting for price to touch. So I'm just gonna draw it here. Okay, which it has, but it has gone above right now, which give me a second. Okay, so this imbalance here has been filled, and this what you call this rejection candle off here is also been it gives a rejection candle. However, price is still pushing to the upside, so it does give me also the feeling that price could possibly move up here for today or even this week, and then give us the drop that we are looking for. All right, so again, like I said, if price is going to do that, I would want price to come down, do the clear the fair value gap on the 4 hour first, and then make its way up again. So for that, I'm literally just gonna wait for a downward movement a little bit. So if you can see, if I'm on a 15 minutes right now, price is at the premium zone and it's teetering, right? So this is our London low, which I've already marked up. So this is the London time, 8 o'clock, and this is when New York bell rings at 2:30. I do sometimes like to keep it at 1, which is pre-market conditions, but I feel like, okay, just for the sake of video purposes and also for like, oh, oh, okay, sorry guys, because I had an alert on GBP USD. All right, so what was I saying? So yes, so I do also think it could possibly come down, give us a rejection off here, and then I'm possibly looking for a buy, keeping in mind this areas of interest, the zero point 0.5 and also the fair value get point right at the top. So over here, 34,200. 34,120 to 34,200 is my bullish point of interest. Okay, so it will be interesting to see where price goes. And like I said, if that retracement does happen on a daily time frame, we are still very bullish because for us to break structure, we need to do highest at the moment. So at the moment, this is your point of interest, a high, which is at your premium zone. So we still are bullish. There could be just a retracement up to the 0.618 level. All right. So So yeah, so basically, you see the premium level is here on the 1 hour, but no, I don't think it's gonna go there. We'll just see what price action really does. At the moment, it's teetering on the 1 hour equilibrium, which I do think possibly price could come down, take this level out, and then go back up again. Or it could make the pre that it could how would I say, it could take out London's high on 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and then come right back down and give us the tank that we are looking for as well. So for whichever direction it's going to go, I'm just going to wait for liquidity sweep to happen, and then a break of structure to happen on a 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame, and then I drop down to a 5 minutes time frame to find any possible entries that we set up. All right, so Yeah, and no, I have not traded. I did not trade yesterday, even though we had a nice bullish run yesterday. I kind of missed this. So this was the 2:30 bell that this break of structure really happened here in the 30-minute time frame with this long candle, and then we had news at 3 o'clock. So I kind of like just left it. And I Yeah, so I didn't really enter because I just thought I've already missed it, and it didn't really give me another break of structure again. It just went like running, if that makes sense, on a 30 minutes. So of course we did have small breaks here, but no, I did not enter anything. So we had this run happen yesterday, and let's see any setup happens today, and hopefully we get some nice pips. Um, so this is my analysis for US30. So as usual, put your comments below. Let me know what you guys think about US30 and what it possibly could be doing for today and the rest of the week. Happy trading and safe.